Hey guys, back in the video. Today we're going to be unboxing this, snow globe inflatable. I've been wanting this since last year, but I missed out on it. And I was told you could buy it from BJ's, but I don't have any of those near me, so I wasn't able to get it. So I may or may not have spent $260 on eBay for one, but it's brand new in box. Butterfly over there. So okay, so I cut open the outer box. Oh, thank God, it's in the OG box that it came in. Wow, that is a shockingly big box. Crazy. Don't mind my neighbor's stupid ass dogs. They genuinely make me so angry. Anyways, here the box is. That is a very large box. I think it is from Yard Inflatables, but the label doesn't say Yard Inflatables. It came from, I guess, the dude that owns Yard Inflatables or whatever. I don't know. So, it's a very, very large box, which that is normally how these snow globes come. So, I don't know. Still has that clear, the, oh, there it is, okay. Here's the stakes and the instructions. Go ahead and take it out of the box. A very large box. I'll show you the box real quick. There's the front. There's the side. There's the 2024 with the human comparison. So it is, ooh, so far I love it. I'm very happy to own this. Plastic looks great. It feels very soft, but it is very, very see-through. Now, mind you, this is the first one of these globes I've ever owned. I've never owned a snowing Gemmy snow globe before. Well, I have, but it didn't work, so we're not going to talk about that. From the looks of it, I think that's a YEF 200. So that is an awesome addition. So let's go ahead and plug it in. I'll add the snow pellets later. So yeah, that's definitely the fan it should have. Holy crap. Okay. So far, I mean, wow. It's very large. Smells like a pool floaty. It's the only way I can really say that smells. Oh yeah, that is a big snow globe. I like it. It inflates very tightly. You see the air pockets back here. If you were to cover them, because of the YEF 200, it really just kind of, there's the plastic piece up there. Yeah, there's the one zipper. There's a zipper on the bottom where the fan is, and there's this zipper. And see in there where the plastic beads are. So seems like it has a hole in it actually. What I'm gonna do is stake this down and we'll add the beads. Now that is interesting. It comes with spiral stakes. Don't think I've seen one of these with spiral stakes in a long time. Now here's a look at the mechanism that actually blows the snow. This end is connected to the fan and this end is connected to the tube that goes up the back of the globe. And it just shoots the snow up. That's pretty cool. Now we get to add the snow into there. I will say this is a comically large bag for how little snow is actually in there. Could have saved so much plastic by not doing that. So I'm just gonna empty it in there and get back to it. So now we got all the snow pellets in there with minor spilling. Now let's plug her up and see what it looks like. Oh, there's a storm rolling in because the sun just got covered up. I already see it snowing, which is awesome. It inflates pretty fast. The base inflates great too. It looks like 1, 2, 3, and then one in each snowman. Oh yeah, it snows really good. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a snow globe snow this well. You can see it all goes down in there to the base. I can't really get a shot of the thing working, but you see it sticks to the inside of that a little bit. There. Now now it's snowing even more. Holy cow. Yeah, I love this thing. This is awesome. Can't wait to do a review on it, but so far I'm loving it. Wow. And it's humongous. I know that, you know, older Gemmys were bigger because the base was smaller, but this is one of the biggest modern snow globes I've seen that actually snows, so it's awesome. It does appear to have slowed down on the snow production a little bit because it's at a slant of this hill. So all the snow keeps kind of pulling up at the front, but that's all right. Anyways, bye. Thanks for watching.